गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, कैसे आप सभी लोग। वेलकम टू इन्फेंट जे स्कूल। स्टूडेंट, टुडे वी हैव अ न्यू टॉपिक, न्यू लेसन, चैप्टर नंबर 5, एसिड, बेस एंड सॉल्ट। ओके स्टूडेंट, एसिड, बेस एंड सॉल्ट, and unit 2, materials. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss acid rain, basis, indicator, and salt neutralization reactions. Okay student, so today's a very interesting chapter, acid, base and salts. Okay student, let's start. So student, what is acids and how can you determine it? So students, acid is nothing but known as substances that contains acid in them are called acidic substances. Okay student, this acids may be two type, organic acids and inorganic acids. Okay student, and and I will tell you what is the modern theory of acids. Student, according to Arrhenius, according to Arrhenius, which gives us H ion called acids. Okay student, this is modern theory. In your further class you will study. Okay student, so student, substances that contains acids are called acidic substances. Okay student, so in activity you are see, this is the substances. Okay student, ये देखिए एप्पल और भी बहुत चीज़ें हैं, देखिए आप। तो what is this in the activity then above lemon juice, orange juice or vinegar. Okay student, and pineapple, mango, terminate, amla are sour in taste. Grapes, when not fully ripe, also give a sour taste. Curd, if not fresh, gives a sour taste. This sour taste is due to the presence of substances all called acids. Okay student, so acid comes from the Latin word acidic, acidus, which means sour. Organic acids are naturally occurring acids. Okay student, so organic, what is organic acids? Organic acids are naturally occurring acids. Okay student, now student, come from properties of acid. So what is the properties of acids? So student, here is the properties. Acid have a sour taste. They turn blue litmus to red paper. Okay student, they conduct electricity. They are corrosive in nature. Strong acids can destroy clothes, wood and the plastic and human parts. They are soluble in water. So student, here I am going to tell you uses of acids. Okay student, so see, hydrochloric acid is used to manufacture dye. So what is the formula of hydrochloric acid? Okay student, see, this is the formula of hydrochloric acid, HCl. Okay student, this is the formula of hydrochloric acid. Okay student, so sulfuric acid is a widely used to industry to manufacture fertilizers, detergents, drugs, paints and salts. Okay student, it is also used textile, paper and leather industry. Nitric acid, sulfuric, what is the formula of sulfuric acid? See, this is the formula of sulfuric acid, SO2. Okay, okay student, and nitric acid used to manufacture fertilizers, explosive and to extract some metals. It is also used to purify precious metals like silver and gold. Okay student, so what is the formula of nitric acid? Sorry student, here is the formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. H2SO4. Okay student, This is the formula of sulfuric acid. And formula of nitric acid is HNO3. This is the formula of nitric acid. Okay, student. And acetic acid is used to make vinegar. Citric acid is used soft drink. Citric acid is used to make baking powder. Carbonic acid is used in aerated drinks. Boric acid is added to eye drops. Phosphoric acid is used to make fertilizers. Okay, student. What is acid rain? Come from acid rain. So in the acid we are already discussed uses of acids, okay, student, properties of acids and definition of acids, okay, student. And come from acid rain. The rain containing excess of acid is called acid rain. समझिए आप क्या है? The rain containing excess of acid is called acid rain. The rain becomes acidic because carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide released in air as air pollutant dissolve in rain drops to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. Acid rain causes damage to buildings and animals. Okay, student. एसिड रेन का जो सबसे बड़ी एग्जांपल है वो है ताजमहल का पीला पड़ना. दिस इज द दिस प्रोसेस दिस हैपन ड्यू टू द एसिड रेन. ओके स्टूडेंट. एसिड रेन की वजह से हमारा जो ताजमहल है वो पीला पड़ता जा रहा है. सो स्टूडेंट, अब here is the use some words like sulfur dioxide. So what is the formula of sulfur dioxide? SO2. Okay student. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, nitrogen dioxide, N2. Okay student. These particles mix with the air and water and the process is called acid rain. Okay student. So acid rain causes damage the building, plants and animals. Okay student. Now come from basis. What is basis? So we can understand basis by the taste and touch. Okay student. So when we taste baking soda, okay, तो बेकिंग सोडा आपने देखा होगा हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. तो when we taste baking soda, it tastes bitter. Okay, if we prepare a solution of baking soda in a water and rub it between our fingers, it feels soapy to touch. चिकना सा महसूस होता है साबुन की तरह. Such chemical substances that are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. Okay सुन, मतलब substances that are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. This is the definition of bases. The chemical nature of such substances is basic and the substances are called basic substances. Okay student. So what is base? Substances that are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. Is that clear?